The Earth once has a resident named Chuck. Chuck was always on the lookout for his purpose. Thing about Chuck's search, it's for always something different. From the perspective of the sentient observer, except for Chuck, who lives in this record as a dog, it is always the same always. This anomaly flowers from the creature's eternal present. He has no past or future that he can taste or smell. It all happens in the current slice, the one that never begins or ends. There is a map that flows into Chuck the dog's nose that will guide him to a picture he has only partially drawn. On this planet, if you are alive or once in that condition, smell abides, emitting a combination that holds location data to the source. Needing to find this to complete the mission of the current eternity, he sniffs on. Charls moves location for new sniff outs. As this tango lays out, neither player currently knows they are in this dance. Like the ant that climbs on an elephant. The ant doesn't know about the elephant. The elephant doesn't know about the ant. Even without this information, they are able to run the cycle of their life at the maximum enjoyment setting. Thusly, Chuck adventures on. There is a different register for the dead and the living. Often death is a must for the transfer of matter to continue life in another, and worth searching for. In this day's quest there is discovered something of an ambiguous nature. If only smell could encode the previous thoughts and actions of a body, Chuck could know that this bird was once cherished by the earth. Sedgwick the bird was once sitting with his pal Hank. Hank asked, "How many chickens do you think it would take to kill an elephant?" Sedgwick pondered this question. Though he didn't know the answer, or know much of anything, except that he was glad to have a chance at life. He played the game well, and when his time came the off switch was pulled. What was left dropped to the earth, directly into the cycle of a ground-dwelling seeker, completing the day's purpose of finding what he is missing for Chuck the dog.